Hello everyone, it's Victoria Wilson here with another guided meditation for you. This one is about the Divine Spirit, which lives in each and every one of us. So let's just take a few moments just to let go of the rush and the busyness of the day. Check that the body is comfortable. Just make a few adjustments here and there. Allow the back to be straight and the body relaxed and balanced. Now be aware of the breathing and let it slow and deepen as we feel the tension in our bodies dissolve. And allow the eyes to close. Let the mind be free of any concern or preoccupation. Just be aware of where you are now. Feel the weight of the body on the chair. Feel the gentle pressure of the clothes on the skin and the play of air on the face and hands. Taste. Smell. Be fully here. Let sounds be received as they come through the ears. Let them rise and fall as they will, without comment or judgment of any kind. With the body completely relaxed, let the hearing run right out to the furthest and gentlest sounds, embracing all, and rest in the great awareness for a few moments. And now just listen to the words of this Celtic Christian poem. I am the breathing wind and the ocean waves. I am the sun's bright rays and the sparkling stars. I am the rustling leaves and the power that brings the bud into blossom. I am the salmon swimming. I am the brave boar fighting, the fast stag running, the strong ox pulling, the mighty oak standing. I am the thoughts of everyone who praises my exquisite beauty. And now just rest with those words for a moment or two. Now come back to the awareness of breathing and let it slow and deepen. And again be aware of sounds as they're received through the ears. Allow them to rise and fall as they will, without any comment or judgment of any kind. And let the hearing run right out to the furthest and gentlest sounds, embracing them all. And again, with the body completely relaxed, just listen to the words of the Celtic Christian poem again. I am the breathing wind and the ocean waves. I am the sun's bright rays and the sparkling stars. I am the rustling leaves and the power that brings the bud into blossom. I am the salmon swimming, the brave boar fighting, the fast stag running, the strong ox pulling, the mighty oak standing. I am the thoughts of everyone who praises my exquisite beauty. And just for a few moments, just rest with those words, the descriptions of the Divine Spirit in each of us and in everything. And now, very gently, be aware of your body on the chair here in the room. Feel the breath coming in and out of the nose. Feel your feet on the floor and wiggle your toes and fingers. And then, when you're ready, take a deep breath in and open your eyes again. Thank you, everyone.